Hey guys, Silver Bullet Ballistics here, and today we are going to be doing something different. I'm going to be starting a restoration of a Mosin Nagant. I have the whole entire box here. I got this at a gun show, and it was imported. Here's the original import sticker. It is a 9130, which means it's the longer one. Let me move this camera angle down real quick so you guys can see what all I'm looking at, what's in the box. Alright, so like I said, this is a 1943 Russian Mosin Nagant. It does come with a bayonet. It comes with a little pouch. Inside the pouch there's a little swivel. It comes with the cleaning kit, little tool, some more little tools. Cleaning rod, another buttstock plate cover, and another stock band. The Mosin, and like I said, this is going to be a restoration video. I do not plan on keeping this tiger stripe. It'll be interesting to see how this turns out. I've never done anything like this, and I figured it wouldn't be too terribly hard. It does come with a little bipod. The scope on it right now is a 3x22. I don't plan on keeping this on there. It comes with a rail up here. I'm not seeing any type of back sight on it, so I'm gonna have to get another scope and throw it on here. It is clear. The bolt looks fine. It's not terrible. I have shot this in the past, so it's a little dirty, not terrible though. Another band, and it comes with another part of the stock. It'll go right up on here. So I'm guessing they bought another one to do this paint job with. Not sure. Let's go ahead and get this box out of the way, and today's video I'm going to break this down, and I will do another video on the stock, stripping the paint. Depending on how bad the original wood is, I think I might try to keep the original look to it. If I have to, I will sand it down and stain it. So let's go ahead and get this box out of the way. Let's go ahead and start taking this thing apart. First, I need to take off the scope. Take this off, which is a Allen wrench. I do have this little fancy gadget. That way I can put a little bit more pressure on. There's one. The original person just covered this in paint. The barrel's covered. The stock's covered. And there's that. So in the future, I'm gonna have to get a rear sight and stick on here if I want to do no scope. I'm going to be getting the trigger housing out of it. Looks like it's just all flathead screws. That won't be able to reach, so I'm gonna have to use a screwdriver. Here's one, and there's one up top. As you can see, there's some gunk on it. This is where the ammunition sits, and I have a spare round to show you guys. It'll sit right in here, and there's a spring on the inside. Here's the spring. It'll help push that round up. So this is 7.62 by 54R, and this is your normal AK-47 round. Pretty interesting. All right, back to business. So now, looks like we need to get these barrel cover, or these barrel bands off. There's little clips up here. Push in and they will slide out. Same with the back end. And here's one of the covers. And here's the barrel. See, they painted the barrel too. There is some paint in the chamber right down here. It's like gray paint. I want this to be restored because there is a lot of like stamping up in here that's Russian that you can't really see with the paint job on it. And here's the stock. Now we need to take off this butt plate. It's just flathead. Screwdriver again. one on the top and one right back here. So there's 2 bands and 3 screws that hold the barrel and the buttstock on. Now I need to figure out how to get this bipod off. I just move the feet down. See what this does. So I just loosened it and there's a screw up underneath and I'm just trying to unscrew it out. Okay, so I got the bipod off. Screw this back in, that way I don't lose it. Okay. And that's pretty much it for what I'm seeing. I don't think I'm missing anything else. Alright, so this is video 1 of the restoration of the Mosin Nagant. Next video, I think I'm going to be stripping this wood down, which it's just covered in paint. It is super thick. So that's going to be a whole another video by itself. I'm hoping I don't have to sand this down, as there is some markings up here. It's like a, looks like a number 7. There's a marking over here. So yeah, this is everything that I'm working with, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for watching Silver Bullet Ballistics. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. Make sure you are subscribed, because I would not want to miss any of this if I were you. Thanks for watching.